We are here on the Valtra booth, and behind me we can see a Q Series 305. And it's the first talking tractor we will launch this year. So inside the cab we see a lot of different options from Unlimited. But the main project we want to show now is our Valtra coach system. In the side panel of the machine we have mounted a tablet to use Valtra coach for the tractor. We want to get several parts of data, we want to get information about our tractor and how to drive it. So as an example, we can just ask the machine, how much horsepower do you have?
The Valtra Q305 tractor has up to 305 horsepower with boost engaged.
So quite simple question, but here you can see what the system is doing for the driver. Any function we have on the machine, any service point we want to use, and of course all the data we have spent the last days, the last weeks, to get a good statistic combined with Valtra Connect and all the telemetrics we have on the machine. What kind of service points do we have on the machine?
The machine has service points like engine oil and filter, fuel filters, transmission pressure filter, final drive oil, differential oil, front hub oil, and lubrication points for the...
So just one pause for the system. You can see every information I want to get from the tractor is included to the Valtra coach system. So for drivers, it's getting easier to get all the informations they want combined in one system.